Hello, good morning. Some students asked me to solve miscellaneous examples, unsolved miscellaneous examples from vectors also. I have already completed that inverse trigonometric functions. Now today let us consider miscellaneous unsolved examples from vectors. Okay, first question is, write down a unit vector in xy plane making an angle of 30 degree with the positive direction of x-axis. Let r cos theta I plus sin theta j. Okay. B, the unit vector in xy plane. Okay, remember, whenever angle is given, you have to use this form as r cap is equal to xi cap plus yj cap. Here x is cos theta, y is sin theta. Okay, that is equal to cos theta is cos 30 degree I cap plus sin 30 degree j cap. Cos 30 is root 3 by 2 plus this is half. This is the required unit vector. If it is for 1 marks, it is enough if you write or this. Is it okay? Second one is, find the scalar component and magnitude of the vector joining the 2 points P and Q. See, position vector of Q is equal to OQ is equal to x2 y2. Position vector of point P is OP is equal to x1 y1 z1. See, this x2 y2 z2 is not point. This is x2i plus y2j plus z2k, x1i y1j z1k. Okay, but you have to put the bracket properly. Then therefore vector PQ is OQ minus OP, that is x2 minus x1, x2 minus x1 comma y2 minus y1 comma z2 minus z1, x2 minus x1 I, y2 minus y1 j, z2 minus z1 k. Okay, find the scalar components. Scalar component of PQ. Scalar components of vector PQ. These are scalar quantities. Okay, x2 minus x1 I will become that vector component. So scalar components are x2 minus x1, y2 minus y1, z2 minus z1. Here you can write the comma. You should not write this closed bracket. You can write this flower bracket that indicates set. You can write this flower bracket, or just you can leave without bracket, you can write, because scalars these are. Now magnitude, I will write here, magnitude of PQ is equal to is x2 minus x1 squared y2 minus y1 squared z2 minus z1 square. Okay, that is the answer for second part. A girl walks 4 km towards west. Then she walks 3 km in a direction of 30 degree east of north and stops. Determine the girl's displacement from her initial point of departure. First, let us draw the diagram. This is north, south, west and east. Okay, suppose this is the initial point O. She starts from O and she moves in this direction, say some 4 km. Okay, suppose this is 4 km. Then she walks 3 km in a direction of 30 degree east. Suppose here she takes okay, this is north, south, east means towards this. She walks, say, in this direction. This is this is 30 degree. This distance is 3 km. She starts from O and comes to A, then turns in northeast, east of north direction. Suppose she stops here, B. What is the displacement of this? Okay, this is what you have to find, isn't it? OB you have to find. Displacement from initial point to departure. Okay, what is OA? OA is equal to, magnitude is 4 I cap along x-axis. So since this is positive half and this is negative half, so minus 4I. Then AB you have to find. AB is equal to, see here, this is a triangle. Suppose this is 30 degree, this should be 60 degree. 90 minus 30, 60 degree. AB is, how much it is? Okay. AB magnitude cos theta I cap plus, and AB sin theta j cap, isn't it? See, AB is 3, cos 60 degree into I cap plus 3 sin 60 degree and j cap, that is equal to 3 into 60 degree means 1 by 2 I cap plus 3 into root 3 by 2 j cap. So 3 by 2 I cap plus 3 root 3 by 2 j cap. This is AB vector. Now OB is required from triangle of vector additions. What is that? OA plus AB, OA plus AB is equal to OB. Therefore OB is equal to minus 4I plus 3 root by j. Minus 4 by 2 means how much it is? 2.5, isn't it? Minus 5 by 2 I cap plus 3 root 3 by 2 j cap. Okay, this is what the required answer. So required displacement is equal to minus 5 by 2 I cap plus 3 root 3 by 2 j cap. If vector A is equal to vector B plus vector C, then is it true that magnitude of A is equal to magnitude of B plus magnitude of C? Justify your answer. Consider the triangle law of vector addition. Suppose, okay, this is A, B and C. Suppose A is equal to, this is B and this is suppose C. A, B is equal to BC plus CA, that is B plus C. Since in any triangle the sum of the magnitudes of any two sides of a triangle is greater than the other side, magnitude of other side. Okay, so that is, therefore magnitude of A is less than magnitude of B plus magnitude of C. Therefore A is not equal to B plus C. Okay. Find the value of x for which x into I cap j cap plus k cap is a unit vector. Okay, this implies x into I cap plus j cap plus k cap is a unit vector, implies magnitude of I cap plus k cap is equal to 1. That implies magnitude of I plus j cap plus k cap. This implies square root of 1 square is equal to 1. That implies x is equal to plus or minus 1 by root 3. Find a vector of magnitude 5 units and parallel to the resultant of vectors vector a 2 3 and minus 1, b 1 minus 2 and 1. See, what you have to find here is a vector of magnitude 5 units. 5 units means you have to find unit vector and then multiply that to 5 units parallel to the resultant of vectors a and b. Resultant of vectors a and b means a plus b. That means the required vector is, it may be parallel means either plus or minus. So plus or minus 5 times a unit vector in the direction of a plus b. Okay. Now a resultant vector of a and b is resultant vector is equal to c cap a plus b is equal to 2 3 minus 1 2 plus 1 3 minus 2 minus 1 plus 1. Okay, that is 3i cap plus j cap. Okay, only this much. Unit vector is equal to c cap is equal to c divided by magnitude of c, that is 3i cap plus j cap divided by 3 squared plus 1, that is 3i plus j root 10. Now a vector of magnitude 5 and parallel to the resultant of this required vector is plus or minus 5 times c cap. That is 3i plus j divided by root 10. Okay, that is the required vector. If a is I j k, okay, I plus j plus k, b is 2i plus minus j plus 3k, c is I minus 2j plus k. Find a unit vector parallel to 2a minus b plus 3c. That means you have to find the unit vector of 2a minus b plus 3. That is enough. See, 2a is, this is 2 times 1 1 1, that is 2 2 and 2. P is minus b, okay, that is minus of that much, 2 minus 1 3, that is minus 2 plus 1 minus 3. 3c is equal to 3 times 1 minus 2 and 1, 3 minus 6 and 3. Now if you add this, 2a minus b plus 3c is equal to, just add this, 2 get cancelled, 3 minus 3 and 3 get cancelled, 2, that is 2a minus b is equal to 3i minus 3 plus 3 minus 3j plus 2k. Unit vector, if you is equal to 3 minus 3 2 divided by 3 square plus 3 square plus 2 square. See, this is vector, once again I repeat, 3i minus 3j plus 2k. I am writing like this only, okay. Otherwise you have to put the bracket, or you have to write 3i minus 3j plus 2, but simply 3 minus 3 minus 2 plus 2, if you write like that, that will mean the separate, you may get 0 there. Minus 3j plus divided by, this is 9 plus 9 18 plus 4 22, root 22. This is the required unit vector. Show that the points A, B, C are collinear and find the ratio in which B divides AC. Okay, suppose 3 points are given. In order to show that it is collinear, what you have to do? You have to find the sides. If sum of 2 sides is equal to another side, that common point lies on the two that line, isn't it? That means, okay, let us find AB, BC and AC. Now these are the position vectors. I don't write that again and again. Okay, AB means OB minus OA, that is equal to, OB is 5 0 minus 2 1 plus 1, it is 1 minus 2 and minus 8. Okay, that means this is equal to 5 minus 1 4, 0 minus of minus 2, minus 2 plus 8 6. Okay, that is AB. So magnitude of AB is equal to square root of 4 square plus 2 square plus 6 square, that is 36 plus 16 52 plus 4, 56. Root 56 means how much? 2 root 14, isn't it? AB, BC. BC is OC minus OA is equal to OC is 11, 3, 7 minus OA is 1 minus 2 minus 8 is equal to 11 minus 1, 10. 3 minus or minus, this is 5. 7 plus 8, 15. BC is magnitude of BC is root 10 square plus 5 square plus 15 square. 10 square plus 5 square plus 15 square is equal to, this is 225 plus 25, 250 plus 100, 350. Root 350. Root 350 means 25, how much it is? Yeah, 25 4 the 6. Something went wrong. Oh, sorry. This should be B. Okay. OC minus OB, isn't it? So, this will be different. C is okay. B 5, 0 and minus 2. 11 minus 5 is 6. 6. 3 minus 0 is 3. 3. And 7 plus 2 is 9. Okay, this is 6 square is 36 plus 9 plus 81, 90, 126 it is. Root 126 means 3 times root 14. 9 14s are AB, BC and AC. AC is OC minus OA, isn't it? 11, 3 and 7 minus 1 minus 2 and minus 8, that is 10, 5, 15. Okay. AC is root of 100 plus 25 plus 225. 250, 350 it is. Root 350 means how much it is? 570. 25 into 14. 25 times the, yes, that is 5 times root 14. Therefore, magnitude of AC is equal to magnitude of AB plus magnitude of BC. Therefore, A, B, C are collinear. Okay. Second part, find the ratio in which B divides AC. Let this point B divides AC in the ratio lambda is to 1. Okay, then as you know the section formula, R is equal to M into B plus NA divided by M plus N. This formula you have to use. R here is OB. Position vector for this point P is asked. OB is equal to lambda into lambda OC plus OA, isn't it, divided by lambda plus 1, that is lambda into OC. This is I 5 0 minus 2. Lambda into OC is 11 3 and 7 plus OA is 1 minus 2 and minus 8 divided by lambda plus 1. This implies lambda plus 1 into 5 0 minus 2 is equal to lambda 11 3 7 plus 1 minus 2 and minus 8, isn't it? Now this implies, see here, equating the similar terms, lambda plus 1 times 5. So this is for I and I. Okay, lambda plus I is equal to lambda into 11 plus 1. Okay, that implies, are you agree? This is 5I plus 0j minus 2k into lambda into 1. So this is lambda into 11I plus 3j plus 7k plus I minus 2j minus 8k. If you equate the similar terms, that means terms associated with I cap, it means lambda into 1 into 5I cap is equal to lambda into 11I plus I. That means I am taking only coefficient factors, that reduces to lambda plus 1 into I is equal to lambda 1 plus I. That implies 5 lambda plus 5 is equal to 11 lambda plus 1, or 6 lambda is equal to 6 lambda is equal to 4. So lambda is equal to 2 by 3. 2 by 3 means the ratio is B divides, I will write here, B divides AC in the ratio 2 by 3 is to 1 means 2 is to 3. Okay, 2 by 3 is to 1, that is 2 is to 3. Find the position vector of a point R which divide the line joining the two points P and Q, whose position vectors are 2a plus b and a minus 3b externally. Okay, this is straightforward. Suppose this is a and this is b and the ratio is given. So line segment is RQ. Okay, so required position vector of R OR is equal to 2 into m into this n into this 2a plus b minus 1 into 3a a minus 3b a minus 3b divided by 2 minus 1 4a plus 2b minus a plus 3b divided by 1, that is 5a plus 3a plus 5b. Okay, that is the required position vector. Two adjacent sides of a parallelogram are these two. Let the adjacent sides be a is equal to 2 minus 4 and 5, b is equal to 1 minus 2 minus 3, 1 minus 2 and minus 3. Find the unit vector parallel to its diagonal. So diagonal vector is, which is diagonal vector? If a and b are adjacent side, its sum will be in this. So this is a plus b, this is nothing but diagonal vector a plus b is equal to 2 plus 1 is 3, minus 4 minus 2 minus 6, 5 minus 3 is 2. Okay, this is diagonal vector. Unit vector in the direction of diagonal vector is equal to 3 and 2. Nine plus that is 45 plus 4, 49, that is 7. Unit vector is equal to, say, suppose this is C. If you call this as C, C cap will be that much, or C cap is equal to 3. Okay, right. Better you write answer in this form only. Okay. Again you have to put the bracket because 7 is common to all the components. Now also find its area. Area of parallelogram. is equal to modulus of A cross B. A cross B is magnitude of I, J and K. What is A? 2 minus 4 and 5. 2 minus 4 and 5. I means 1 minus 2 minus 3. That is equal to okay, better. Let us write this afterwards. Okay. This is equal to magnitude of I into 12 plus 10. Okay. Minus j into minus 6 minus 5. Minus 6 minus 5 plus k into minus 4 plus 4, or here actually this vector is 22i minus, that will become plus 11j. Okay, that is magnitude of 22i plus 11j cap. This will become 0, and therefore magnitude area is equal to square root of 22 square plus 11 square units. Okay, see how to simplify this. This is nothing but 2 into 11 squared plus 11 squared. So if you take 2 common, so I will write it here. So that is 2 square 4, that is equal to, if you take 11 square common, that means 11, that is 2 square plus 1 square, or 11 root 5 square units. So 11 root 5 is the answer.